What's good, Anime TV? I know it's been a minute. Y'all ain't seen us in a second. I'm already knowing. But alright, the other videos that I done put up, you know what I'm saying? Of course they done got blocked. So if y'all want to enjoy those reactions, y'all can always go enjoy those on the Patreon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. We not asking for no money. You know what I'm saying? I believe the video is public. So all you gotta do is go onto the Patreon and you'll be able to see some reactions that y'all probably ain't even been able to see. Another thing, anytime we disappear, I assure you, is either because, for one, somebody probably going through something, or maybe we just trying to revamp everything. So y'all see, we done made some changes, you know what I'm saying, me and Danny. Danny got a social media handle too, you know what I'm saying, but I'm only gonna put that one up when Danny actually with me. So now I got all my social medias down there. First, we got Lazy TV. We got my gaming channel down there. Y'all wanna see more of, I'm gonna basically say me. Boom, there go my gaming channel where I do good gaming reactions, and that's where some of my time go when I'm not posted to the Anime TV. I'm probably streaming on Boom. The last handle you see is Twitch. I'm either streaming live on Twitch. I'm doing the reactions live on Twitch as well. I'm about to go live in a minute. But Boom, I got my Instagram, the Twitter, and my Snapchat down there. I feel like I ain't gonna put Facebook down there because the F in Facebook, I feel like that's for family. I only got family on there. So, you know what I'm saying? You ain't getting Facebook. But today, hopefully y'all get this episode. Hopefully I revamp the channel enough. But I'm trying to give y'all Chainsaw Man. I already did Chainsaw Man, but the layout of the way I done it, it was kind of different. So today we doing things a little different. I'm probably not gonna show y'all the whole episode. So if y'all do want to enjoy the whole episode, y'all already know what I'm finna say. Y'all go on hit up Crunchyroll, go on sign up, get you a membership. That way you can enjoy these animes ad free like me. You know what I'm saying? So boom, get the Crunchyroll subscription. You good? Cause I can't show y'all the whole thing because then I'm gonna get blocked. You know what I'm saying? I'm already gonna show y'all. I'm already doing it in a new format, so I don't want to do too much. That way, I really just don't want the video to get blocked. So today we finna go and jump on that Chainsaw Man. I ain't seen episode 2 through 4. You know what I mean? I only seen episode 1, but I don't remember it too well. So hopefully I give y'all some good reactions today. I'ma probably highlight only the parts that I really like. I'm gonna do some pauses, do some breakdowns and analysis of what I'm seeing. And you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, y'all, let's go hop into this Chainsaw Man. It's back, you know what I'm saying? Had to hit y'all with a quick. From what I can remember, this dude like a big time organ donor. Like so a kidney, an eyeball, a toe. They might have been sold so many body parts, dude. Like, how are you walking and living? See what I'm saying? Mine said it's 60,000 a year for cutting down trees. Mine said then there's the kidney I sold that was 1.2 million. If I sell a kidney for 1.2 million, I'm good. I really need to research and see if you sell a kidney, is it gonna be worth 1.2 million or like probably over here like 500,000, 400,000. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to sell no kidney, boy. This shit gonna fuck me up. Might sell his right eye for 300K. And you still owe. Okay, y'all. Picture y'all sell a kidney. Okay, no, let me start over. Cause the first thing he brought up was the fact that cutting down trees 60,000 a year. You gotta cut down trees as a hobby, or nah, I'm not gonna say a hobby. You gotta cut down trees as a job just to, you know, even know their knowledge. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be some type of tree cutter. That's one. 2, you sold a kidney for 1.2 million. You sold an eye for 300,000. You sold something else for 100,000. That's a lot of money. Who do you owe? And what have you done to put yourself in this situation? What kind of dog is that? And he got the hidden. Then you a devil hunter on top of that.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
Then the fact
よくやったってん。
that little thing is a goddamn.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃそう7万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、その他もろもろを抜いて。
残りが7万。
I just gave that man $70,000. You just paid all these bills. Out of 70,000, you paid all these bills. You only got 1,800. Come on.
落ちた。今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
Like, bro, you down bad. Hold up. Who hits a cigarette like that? Look at him.
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
This dude basically OD folks. Who they are, we don't know yet. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna find out. Who, like, how much money do you owe these folks if you, for one, like I said, sold a kidney for 1.2 mil, sold an eye for 300,000, sold something else for 100,000, just killed the demon. They actually paid you 70,000. And you, like, I don't get it, bro. Like, I'm really kind of confused. But it be like that. I guess I'm gonna have to wait till I get to episode 2, 3, and 4 just to get some real, you know what I'm saying, truth to this anime. But it's a good anime. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying?
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね。
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体な。
I'll pass carcasses on to the Yakuza.
おい、犬！このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
I just said he'll eat the freaking cigarette, bro.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
Hey, he a magician. I fuck with
これ
that.
で3日は
He just hit a lick. Easy little $100. Now he got $1,900.
聞いたんだ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬま
I
で
ain't gonna lie.
返し終わる気しねえし。
I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, bro. If I owe somebody that much money, I don't give a care. I'm finna make sure I'm straight too. I'm be like, here, bro, you get this little change right here, but I'm finna buy me a crib, buy me some food, you know what I'm saying? Give me some decent clothes. I literally sold a kidney for 1.2 million yen, bro.
だろうな。
I said he ain't never had no girlfriend.
女呼べねえし、デートする金もね。
I ain't got money to do nothing.
Gaki, 物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。
So the dude we just seen in the truck basically knew whoever that is in his grave. I think that's his dad. He said he hung himself before he paid the first month installment. So now it's the son's fucking curse. He gotta pay dude debt off. So even if that is my dad's debt, you know what I'm saying? My dad should never got himself into that. I'm not saying I'm not gonna pay the debt, but at the same time, cause like them folk gonna obviously try to kill a dude. You know what I'm saying? Cause he say otherwise we gonna chop you up and sell you to bits. But at the same time, bro, I'm finna buy me some jam. Like, bro, all he wanna do is, that's a dream to him, eat some jam on some bread. Y'all know how easy that is for us, bro. We can go to McDonald's, get a biscuit, and get jam for free. Sell bit, he ain't shave all piece of his teeth and sell them like the tooth fairy. Like he ain't do nothing like that.
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら噛め。俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。
That right there, that's like a real deal Blade scene. Like y'all, I don't know if y'all ever seen Blade, but y'all remember Blade when he was weak and the girl came and rescued him, and then she was like, "Bite me." He took her blood and that man went and beat them folks arse. What the? I don't know why, but like the sound of guts make my flesh crawl so bad. That was his first job. He became a little devil hunter.
腹減って眠れねえ。
Side note, y'all, the freaking dog right here is a devil.
食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って
See what I told y'all?
女とイチャイチャしたり
His
して
dream, he wanna eat jam
一緒
on
に部
on
屋でゲー
bread,
ムして
flirt with a
ながら
girl,
眠る
play
の
video games with her, and fall asleep.
いいだろ
Did he say hungry again? Like, and that might got that Itachi virus, that goddamn Son Goku virus. Bitch,
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
get your ass off my goddamn door like that.
デンジ。
Get your old ass off my door.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな
Oh God, if I ain't let that man go to sleep. I already know that man hungry. He broke. Raining in his apartment down there. Y'all come knocking on that door talking about he got another job. Like, bruh. Y'all for really on it. Really on it.
見当たらな
I
い
ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This don't seem right. Just, okay. Just hear me out. If I'm the devil hunter, right, and you just the person that put me on the leaks, why you in here? In that case, just handle it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Y'all wake me up, bring me out here in the middle of the night into some abandoned warehouse. Bro, they is finna shoot this man, bro.
デンジよ。俺たちはてめえに感謝安い報酬で働いてくれる。
Oh, work for cheap? I mean, y'all been lowballing this man the whole time. I really ain't gotta keep flipping it like that. Yeah, work for cheap. That mean y'all been lowballing this man the whole time. Y'all got this man out here paying off his dad dick. Out here hunting demons and y'all paying him the lowest amount so he work for y'all for long. Cause I already know what it is. He really the plug. He getting the stuff, getting it for them, and they selling it for the high. They buying it for the cheap, selling it for the high. Bro, they is flipping their money, bro. And now they finna shoot the man, bro. Like, oh, ain't real, bro. Y'all better watch y'all back.
俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Made a deal.
デビルハンターくん、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力になっちゃうんだけどね。僕、ゾンビの悪魔だから。
So these folks that made a deal with a devil and became zombies, bro.
だから殺しちゃ
Y'all
う。
stupid. Y'all really stupid.
そいつバラバラにして
And that little
ゴミ
bro
箱
in
に
there
でも捨てちゃって。
Really look like he about to die. But since we know the anime about him, of course he not finna die. I just had to stop it real quick because this man is finna die on stage 2 Call of Duty Zombies, bro. Like, this is just the second wave, bro. These folks ain't even on your ass like wave 25 or some shit. Bruh, you're about to die on wave 2 Call of Duty Zombies, bruh. Black Ops. Yeah, do something, bro. Him and the damn dog finna die. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. This about wave 3. Oh, nah, this wave 4. This boy got a... Oh! Hey, y'all hear the heartbeat? Oh, nah, he done. That man got towed up. They threw him in a trash can. All right, so let's get this straight. The people that he owed got jealous, but like, okay, I don't want to say they got jealous, but it's a form of jealousy here. Because first of all, we got Denji. That's our protagonist's name. His name is Denji. Denji's dad owed the Yakuza a debt. He hung himself because he was so deep in debt. I'm pretty sure some of y'all know how I feel to have bills swamping y'all. Like if y'all ain't young, y'all live on y'all own, y'all know what's up. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't making ends meet, bro, them bills start hitting. Look, all my accounts is negative right now. I kind of know a taste of what they feel like, but I don't owe nobody that's trying to kill me though. You know what I'm saying? They might try to come get their stuff, but they not gonna kill me. You know what I'm saying? This dude's dad owed these folks, so he hung himself. Boom. Left Denji with the debt because they told Denji, a young Denji, probably about 7 years old, that if he don't pay, I think it was 70,000 or 700,000 yen by a certain date, they gonna cut him up and chop him to bits. First of all, let me say this. Them people weak as a mug over there in Japan, if they talking to little kids like that, how the freak he gonna come up with that much money? Like 700,000 yen probably equivalent to 70K or 7K over here. Picture a little 10-year-old boy trying to come up with $7,000 over here in America. Ain't no way. Not even legal to work. Probably don't even got your identification. So boom, he stuck with this debt, but luckily the little chainsaw devil was behind the tree leaking blood, and he made a little blood track with him. I said a blood track, a blood pact with the demon, and boom, they became friends. So he said, I help you, you help me, and boom, he became a devil hunter using the little chainsaw. I really thought, you know what I'm saying, otherwise about this anime, but I'm gonna wait to the end. But he used a little chainsaw to gather money as a devil hunter, as well as selling his body parts. 1.2 million, that's crazy. So he done it. Along the way, these people must was like, this little weak dude able to kill these demons and get us all this money. If we go do some shit with a devil and we get the power too, just think of what we can do. You know what I'm saying? So they did that, and now these folks is basically dead. They zombies. And now my boy Denji is chopped up in a trash can. Him and Pushta. We just gonna call it Pushta. 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 See, look, chopping down trees. I told y'all. So he was also chopping down trees, making it little 60K a year.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタに。
Basically want the pooch to take over his dead body if he was to get taken out by demons, right? So we see right here the Pushta is stitching him back together. What the fuck? That looked this so bad. They looked it so bad. I know I say looked it. Don't at me. I know it's looked.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好
Bro,
き
you
だ
can talk, little bro.
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。
傷が。
I'm gonna say. These folks just in there standing around like real zombies. They just in there standing. If y'all just chopped them up into pieces and he back out that mug.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのに、もっといい生活を望んだ。いい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。
Don't tell me that. Nope. Yeah, I heard the chainsaw. Man, got that motherfucker. Man got a chainsaw on his. This man got a chainsaw on his head. Like, bruh. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I wonder if I can show y'all what I do to somebody like this. I'm gonna have to show y'all. If I'm fighting somebody right, I got 2 chainsaws on my hand.
He's gay!
Pause on that. I know that look bad. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. After I was down there and I thought about it, I realized they look bad. And you know what I'm saying? My conscience told me, get your ass up, boy.
That's still gay! No.
I don't know how this gonna look. Pause on that. Let's just start back watching. I ain't gonna lie, he a little raw though. He got like an ultimate attack and defense thing. Oh my god! You better not hit me with that pole. I'm finna beat. But didn't I just tell you don't hit me with that, bro? I knew it was coming. And that's exactly what I was throwing people. Y'all know what they remind me of, bro. They remind me of this right here. It's like them chainsaws just went into hyperdrive, bro. I thought I just felt somebody tap me on my back.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに。
On God, I was just thinking that like, man, ain't finna OD folks no more, bruh. Just cause they done went and killed theyself and turned theyself into a devil. Now that man dead clear. You can make money now. You can actually like live a better life, bruh. That man just went crazy out there for real. Like, bro, go back. Cause all that money the Yakuza made off of Denji, and they still had this same little green car that they had in the flashback, bro. How you still driving what you had in the flashback? They don't need it now. Bro, I promise these folks hopped out like the Amish men in black. This man just standing there with.
生きてるのがいますね。
Man, he finna crank that jump back up on y'all. I'm pretty sure he can heal.
変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
You can smell that?
これ、君。
I ain't told her to hug him. It's like, bruh, you off rip got her. It just melted off. Like what?
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。だ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるかよ。
餌って。
I better get up and go with
朝
her.
飯はどんなの？
Oh God. What's for breakfast?
食パンにバターとジャム塗って、サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな？
right, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chainsaw Man. Hopefully this video makes it to YouTube. If not, welcome to the Patreon. I'm glad y'all came through the Patreon to go ahead and witness this video. Don't forget, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that bell for post notifications. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all will never know when I might pull a Corey Kenshin, disappear, and then just come back out of nowhere. So hopefully y'all know the game. Y'all seen this video. Anime TV, I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.